Hello and welcome to my listing, and thank you for your interest in the Maybelline Volume Express Mascara. Now this is color 272, brownish black, and as you can see, these are in the boxes, and one of these is slightly open, but this has not been completely opened. I wanted to make sure you knew the condition of the boxes and condition of the mascara if you're deciding to purchase with me, and this video will give you a better idea of what you can expect when you buy from me. But like I said, the boxes may be a little bit damaged, and there may be, one that is a little bit open, but these have not been used. They are still in the packages. I hope that helps. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for your interest in my listing.